guess I'm I guess I'm the teacher. I'm the teacher here. I always made stuff, so I was always a maker. And it wasn't until I was old enough and brave enough to call myself an artist, but when I was young, I would never use the A word because it sounded too pretentious. As I got older, I realized that was what I did, from the way I carry myself to the thoughts in my head to the things I long to create.
What's the biggest question when someone comes through the door that you get?
What are you doing there? What is this place? Yeah, it's like it's the cabinet of curiosity, right? I think the biggest thing we teach is problem solving here, wrapped in a woodworking school. We teach people, I try to teach people how to think for themselves. That's what I hope I teach the most of, because in the day and age that it is, we can all learn a lot off of YouTube and books and other places, but it's very difficult for anyone to solve it for themselves and come up with the answers themselves. So I think is one of the biggest things I hope that people take away from here, is just simple problem solving, which sometimes it isn't so simple. With what we do here, with hand tools or with any making or creative process, there's inherent risk, and it doesn't matter if you're brand new to it or have been doing it for decades. That risk of you bringing it, because these and this all have to work together, and we all have bad days. And so that levels the playing field, right? It's very humbling. Ironically, I don't get it from a lot of woodworking. I take it from other mediums, be it textiles, fashion, art, music, in more themed things, food, like places when I travel or when I taste, when I smell, when I touch, I don't open woodworking books very often to get inspired by. Another part of the people that come in here, and what I find and I see, this social experiment I've seemed to have built around this area, is wonder. The word wonder comes to mind. When we're young, we're all little artists. We have there's no danger, there's no thought of, what if I can't do this? Sure, I can do it. I'll try anything. And then as we get older, we all lose that. That's what I love about this place and the community that comes in here, is that you see that happen again. People go back to when they're kids, in a lot of, not really, like obviously, but they get that. It's like, it's this youthful wonder, this kind of magic of, ooh, and things are new again. And some people will come in and they go, wow, I haven't been in a shop, or it'll be a smell of the wood, and they'll say, oh, this reminds me of the workshop at summer camp when I was a kid. This reminds me of junior high school when I was in woodshop. It all comes back to that, and not just because of the teaching and learning aspect of it, but because of the creative process that we all kind of lose touch of. Just dare to dream and create and put it out there is so refreshing when I see someone connect back to that. My first thing is get outside, oxygen, go in the wonder of wood, go into the forest, climb a tree. Honestly, those things, as just get out into it, and I can't help but be inspired and in awe of just the natural world around us.
What's been the most meaningful part of deciding to open the Unplugged Woodshop?
The community.
Yeah.
First and foremost, yeah. The people I get to meet and hang out with every day is the best part of it. And then having the place to be creative. I'm Fidgen, and I'm the owner